Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at a powerful tool that can help you save time and get better results online. Make sure you watch this video.
If you're thinking about buying CinematicSites AI, there's something you need to know first. CinematicSites AI is world's first AI website agent powered by OpenClaw, a team of specialized AI agents that design, write, animate, optimize and launch a cinematic, revenue-ready website from a single text prompt. No coding, no designers, no monthly fees. You describe your vision, and the AI instantly creates a Hollywood-style animated website, complete with content, graphics, SEO, chatbot, payments and booking. So here's the big question, is CinematicSites AI really the future of website building or just another hype launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what CinematicSites AI is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab CinematicSites AI through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $999 absolutely free. What is CinematicSites AI? CinematicSites AI is designed to work like an AI website team. Instead of manually choosing templates, writing copy, generating images and connecting different tools, you describe what you want. For example, create a premium restaurant website with online bookings, payments, lead capture and cinematic animations. The platform then aims to turn that instruction into a functional website. You can also edit the result using AI prompts or a visual drag and drop editor. Benefits, why people are interested. Cinematic 3D design. Websites that look like $15,000 agency builds. Payments, booking and lead capture built in. No coding, no design skills required. Commercial license. Build and sell websites for clients. Inside CinematicSites AI you're getting Cinematic 3D motion website generator, AI agents for design, writing, copy, graphics, optimization, analytics and sales, built-in chatbot, payments and booking. SEO optimization plus free SSL, premium hosting included for 5 years, drag and drop plus AI prompt editor, download and own your website anytime. Commercial license included and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. Complete AI website agent, not just a builder, beginner-friendly, no technical skills required, unlimited websites, unlimited niches, commercial license for agencies and freelancers and one-time payment, lifetime access. Cons. No guaranteed income, results depend on your niche and traffic. Results. What to expect? Expect faster launches, premium designs and higher conversions. Agencies. Deliver cinematic websites to clients in minutes. Entrepreneurs. Launch revenue-ready sites without coding. Freelancers. Offer website creation services and keep 100% profit. CinematicSites AI turns one simple idea into a studio-quality website that sells for you 24/7. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab, through the link below. Bonus 1 DFY Website Agency Kit. Value $499. Ready-to-use templates, proposals and outreach scripts to start selling websites to clients. Bonus 2 AI Website Profit Blueprint. Value $500. Step-by-step guide to monetize CinematicSites AI and build recurring income streams. Total bonus value, $999 yours free when you get CinematicSites AI through my link today. So, is CinematicSites AI worth it? If you want to stop struggling with traditional builders and start creating cinematic, conversion-ready websites in minutes, then yes, CinematicSites AI is absolutely worth it.
Regarding the bonuses, please visit the bonus page below this video and you can pick any bonus, purchase through my link, and send me a message to deliver them.